It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little one rival. This part about culture, you gotta be fair. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces. Put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, we're going to be taking a look at, finally, my first time seeing the Air Jordan Bred Reimagined. Yes, that's right, first time. If you guys want to know full details and everything of why I haven't seen them, basically, my pair never shipped from the shot drop from Nike. And, you know, I got a whole video talking about it and everything, but today we're going to be unboxing not one, but two. I hit on the FLX ship to me. So, as I stated, if you guys want to know why I did not give you guys a video, if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and check out the last video. I pinned it at the top to give you guys a full detailed disclosure on why I did not give you guys a video yet. So, thoughts and opinions on this one, man. Stay tuned. Y'all already know how we rock. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting the pictures for y'all. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video. I appreciate all the love and support that I continue to get from each and every one of y'all. It does not go unnoticed. And y'all, I'm ready. I'm ready to see these things, man. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna unbox these, man. I don't know which one is which, but they're in the same box. Again, one came from Foot Locker, one came from Champs. I was able to hit on the ship to me, and man, oh man, look, I cannot wait to see these joints, man. Yes, they got the right size. They sent me the right size right there. I didn't even look to see if the receipt was in there or something like that when they shipped it, but it don't even matter, man. It don't even matter. I'm excited, man. I'm stupid excited that I'm so excited. I'm wearing these to the gym today. You feel me? I'm wearing these to the gym today. These are gonna get a lot of wears. These are definitely gonna get a lot of wears, especially if they looking like how everybody was talking. You know, I'm stupid excited to see these, but yes, sir. Let's get this box up out of here. So right here, box. Y'all already done seen the box. All of you all have already seen this box. Plenty of people that do sneaker YouTube have shown y'all this sneaker. So I'm not gonna harp on any of this stuff right here. I just want to see what the pair's looking like. And y'all already know, man, your boy gonna have to do something else with these shoes. Woo! Yes, Lord. Okay. Oh yeah. Woo! Yes, Lord, man. Yes, Lord, them things smelling. Ooh, yes, Lord, they smelling good. And I gotta take a peek. I gotta take a peek at both pairs so we can compare, see if we got any, you know, issues with one pair over the other one. Whichever one might have some type of flaw on them, that's the one I'm gonna start rocking first, wearing that one to the gym. But y'all see it, man. We have the Air Jordan Bred Reimagined. Probably one of the last people to give you guys a video that on YouTube, man. You know, I feel like all my partners done got the shoe. Everybody did videos on them. You know, it's crazy. I just knew I was not getting my pair from Nike because, you know, everybody that I knew that hit the shot drop, they all got them. And when the shoe was coming out, I was like, dang, I still ain't got my pair. I knew I was not getting them. But this pair looking pretty nice, man. Pretty nice right there. Let's go ahead and check this other one out, man. See what this one hitting on. And yeah, come on now, FLX coming through. And it's crazy because I wanted a 10.5 in these and an 11 so I could see which one fit better to me. But it's all good. I went for my size 11 just like I did the last time the Breds came out when they got that Nike Air treatment. I went with a size 11 in those. And, you know, I'm going to be honest with you guys, man. These are looking pretty good, man. Both pair. You know, I was seeing people that, you know, honestly, you know, I take that back. We got like a little small dent right there. Y'all see that dent? We got a dent. So this is the pair that's going to get rocked. This is the pair right here that is going to get rocked first. We got this small little dent. Y'all see it, man. Dents in both shoes, y'all. Dents in both shoes. So This is the rock pair. This is the pair that I'm a rock, and the other pair I'm definitely going to stock. Man, oh man, y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these, man. I know pictures been floating around. Somebody got a pair with an upside down logo right here on one of their sneakers. That's not the first time we seen that. We seen that with, they were reverse shattered backboards, you know what I'm saying? We also seen that with those 9s that came out, man. I'm trying to think, what 9s were those? It was where the back of the 9 where like the Jumpman logo or something was like, the globe was upside down or something like that. Oh, Photon blue joints too. I think it's a Photon blue joints. The Photon blue joints, they came with a black bottom, and then there was another pair of 9s where the back of it was flipped upside down. Now, I don't know yet, man, but we do have the previous release right here, which resembles more so the OG vibes of how these came out when they originally released as far as the materials on the upper, but it's a retro, you know. The only thing that can be OG is the OG, you feel me? But these right here, man, shape-wise and build, man, I cannot wait. I need to look at my SB4s, man, and give you guys my thoughts on this, but these are stupid, G. I'm talking about fuego, man. I'm really happy that I was able to pick up the double up, man. If I hadn't had the double up go through, I would have went and picked up a pair in person. But again, y'all check out the last video that I dropped, and it has a little bit more explaining and in depth into what happened to your boy. But super happy about finally getting to see these, man. Yo, fire. And the smell, Mr. Smell Test approved over this thing, man. Y'all already know how we rocking, but stay tuned. I know you guys have seen a ton of videos on these, but I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and opinions in another video, man, where I'm gonna talk in depth on both of these and just tell you guys what I like about this one compared to this one, which, you know, the biggest thing is probably gonna be the fit and of course the tumbled leather. So I'll let you guys know which one I like a little bit more, but I'm gonna throw these bad boys on feet for y'all as we wrap this video up, man. I hope you guys stay safe out there, man. I appreciate you guys rocking with your boy. I even spent some pictures for y'all as well. I'm not gonna get back behind the camera. Oh yes, Lord, I'm so happy I finally got these things, man. You know your boy love them OG colorways. Now it's time for me to figure out which one is my favorite reimagined and what order are they in, because damn, they doing their thing with some of these, man. They doing their thing. I hope they don't miss with these black cement 3s, man. I hope they don't miss, man, but we'll see how that go. But it is your boy DaRetroWizKid. As I stated, not getting back behind the camera. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing.
Ring scales, wounds, pills, it's all for sale. Walk through the mall while she go do her nails. Bro, eating good while you sitting in jail. Just gotta call her money like word till I see you later. You know that I'm there. Hey, I got a pounds, drink, scales, shrooms, pills, it's all for sale. Walk through the mall while she go do her nails. Bro, eating good while you sitting in jail. Just gotta call about some money like word till I see you later. You know that I'm there. Me in the streets got a crazy affair. White on my jeans, off white on my purr. She not my type, but she fur. Throwing it back while I pull back at her. Sitting in cat cause I like when it purr. Dick ain't just free, so my hand in the purse. If I'm going to hell while I stand in the church, what's the point of you lying if you know it won't work? Why you calling my op if you standing just lurk? Fell in love with the chop, my karate ain't perfect. I'm off the Zod, the lean, the pills. I'm checking the prices, that pussy for sale. Know I'm a hustler, I'm looking for deals. Trap at the crib while a nigga in jail. Boy, I'm so high, I would die if I fail. All of the guys tell Liza's jail. She do whatever for one of them Chanels. Hop out at your door if we know where you live. If she for the streets, I'ma let her sleep over there. Keep one in the head cause he try to run over her. Treat her out like a pet, make him lay over there. Yeah, the MVP hate, but respect come from fear. Digging it deep while she stare in the mirror. Ice on my neck, bought this chain in December. Just got a text, who was this? Don't remember my nuts off the dunk, will be blurry. I got a pounds, drink, scales, shrooms, pills, it's all for sale. Walk through the mall while she go do her nails. Bro, eating good while you sitting in jail. Just gotta call about some money like word till I see you later. You know that I'm there. Me in the streets got a crazy affair. White on my jeans, off white on my purr. I got the pounds, drink, scales, shrooms, pills, it's all for sale. Walk through the mall while she go do her nails. Bro, eating good while you sitting in jail. Just gotta call about some money like word till I see you later. You know that I'm there. Me in the streets got a crazy affair. White on my jeans, off white on